Hi, my name is Amir. Today I talk about sunny day. In the sunny day, the weather will be so hot. We can eat an ice cream and wear t-shirt and play swim.
Hi, my name is Zoha and I want to tell you guys about rainy day. On rainy day, a lot of rain come down and we need to wear boots and umbrellas. And on rainy day, we need to stay inside or on rainy day, we're going to get wet. Hi, my name is Karin. Today, I want to tell you guys snowy day. In snowy day, you have to wear something soft, gloves, hat, and boots. And you can play snowballs and make snowmans.
Hi, my name is Yarko. Is a windy day, you can fly a kite. Is a windy day, grasses or tree moving.